Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to learn about global scope for variable. So in which we have module scope and we have browser scope. We will learn this one by one in our code. So let's see first option, module scope. Open our VS Code and take basic HTML structure, and inside of the body we write our script. Inside of the script we declare two function this time, function f1 and function f2, and we have declared two function. Now we have to call these functions. We simply write the name of these functions, f1 and f2. So what I want is I want to have a same variable for both function, meaning I want to have a common variable to use in both function. So let's see how we can do that. So let me declare a variable inside of function f1 10. So now what I want is I want to use this variable x from function f2, but you already know that we cannot do that. Why? Because when we use var in declaring the variable, that become function scope only. You cannot use this variable outside of this function. You can use only inside of this function. So how I can access this variable from function 2? We can do one thing. We can simply delete this from here and write outside of the function. So what we did here, we make this variable is module scope, meaning that the area from this script tag is starting and from it is ending, that area is called module scope. And basically whatever the script, it is module. Even though you have a separate file for the JavaScript, usually we write our JavaScript code in a separate file, so we call that a module. This, after declaring this variable outside of this function, we made this variable is as a module scope. So is the same thing. Now you have declared this outside the function, now it become module scope. All right, now let's try to access this from function f1 and f2. We can simply write console log x, and we can also write here in function 2 console log x. So let's see, refresh it. Now we see this 210, so that means both are working. Now you understand that if you make a variable module scope, any function can access that variable without any problem. So now there is a very important interview question is, what if my requirement is to make a variable global from inside of a function? What that means exactly is, we can take a variable like var y equals to 20. So interviewer can ask you how you can make this global, how you can make this variable y global. So here we can use our browser scope, and in browser scope we have a window object. So we can make this variable y global by using that window object. How you can write that thing? We can simply declare window dot y. So Now we have made this variable y global. Let's see how we can access that. Now we can access it from function 2 console, or we can just simply give comma and we just say y. So let's see if our program is working. Yes, you can see 10 and 20 here. So this is how you can use both technique to declare a variable global. So we have module scope and we have browser scope. Now my requirement is I want to use this variable x outside of this script module. Like in day-to-day programming job, you have to use like OOP concept. We will learn those concepts in upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. Just to finish this variable topic, I want to let you know that there is a other option also to make this variable accessible to the other module. So what module is? Whatever we have, this script is module. Maybe we have a different page and we have a different script, so that's also different module. So we want to give access of this variable to a different module. How we can do that? We can simply write export before this variable. So now we made this variable to access outside of this script. So anybody can access this variable. They have to only write another command, which is import. We export from here. Now they have to import from their file. But we will learn about this in future, so don't worry about this now. But main topic was how you can declare a variable and how you can make that variable global. So you can use it in anywhere in the same module. So any function can access that variable. That was the key point. We will learn more about the export and import in upcoming videos. So in next video, I'm going to start data type. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new videos. Most likely I will be releasing more and more videos tomorrow. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you the next time.